and welcome to my channel. No Chefs here. I haven't made a Japanese style dish in a while. These days it's pretty cold outside and I'm always craving for something comforting. What comes to my mind lately is a nice bowl of rice with this saucy topping on it. Delicious. In the past, you can check out my channel. I made gyudon, which is the beef bowl, and today I want to make Oyakodon, which is chicken rice bowl. This dish is also known as parent and child bowl because it contains both the chicken and an egg. This dish is super easy to make, only takes a few ingredients, and of course I am here showing you my twist, my take on how to make it. Before I begin, please remember all ingredients and measurements are down in the description box below. Let's get started. So here's everything that I will have for this particular easy recipe. I have one boneless skinless chicken thigh, got an egg, quarter yellow onion, green onion, mirin, which is a seasoned Japanese cooking wine, light soy sauce, some hot pepper flakes for garnish at the end. Finally, last but not least, I have dry seaweed, kombu. The reason that I have it here is because there is a missing ingredient in this list, which is dashi. Dashi is a Japanese stock, usually made with either kombu or dry bonito flakes or the combination of the two. The list goes on. I'm not going to make a separate dashi for this dish because there's going to be so very little required for the small portion like this. Instead, I will add enough seaweed depending on the water required so that the seaweed cooks together with the dish, producing dashi right inside the pan. Total cooking time is about 20 minutes, which is exactly how long it takes to make basic dashi. First thing I want to do is to make sure that the egg and the chicken are out of the refrigerator and let them come up to room temperature. Meanwhile, I'll just take care of the onion, cut it into thin strips. And now I just want to separate them into small pieces, like that. All of this onion can go straight into my pan. I really like onion. It's good for you. This green onion I will just use for garnish. Now time for chicken. I'm gonna flip the board on the meat side. And I will just cut into more manageable pieces. And you can directly put it right into the pan. There you go. Just gonna wash everything, including this plate, and be right back. Next, I want to prepare the egg. So I'm just gonna beat it lightly. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon for your reference, but all of the measurements and ingredients are in the description box below. Mirin, one and a half tablespoon, light soy sauce, 1 and a half, quarter cup water. So the total amount of liquid here is about half cup of water. So I'm just going to throw this much. High heat. Now it starts positively boiling. I'm going to go ahead and cover. Turn heat to simmer. Timer 20 minutes. I'm 5 minutes away from the end result. Check this out. Fantastic. The onions steaming away into the chicken. So this is totally optional. I'm going to bump up the heat and reduce this whole sauce a little bit because chicken had a lot of juice come out of it. Here we go. Total cooking time 20 minutes. At this time, this kombu comes off. I'm going to flip the chicken back to kind of a presentation side. Now, wake up the egg and go in between chicken. Basically done. And traditionally the yolk's supposed to be the egg, sorry, not just the yolk, but the egg's supposed to be a little bit runny. There you go. Now grab yourselves a beautiful bowl of rice. You can just slide this chicken bowl over. The red pepper flakes and the green onion. There's a beautiful chicken rice bowl done. Okay, I'm done taking pictures of this thing. Here we go. With everything on it, huge bite. Super excited. It is super satisfying. The chicken is tender, the onions are soft, and the egg absorbs all of the flavor of the liquid in which the whole dish is cooked. It's fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this simple video till the end. Until next time, you know I wish you nothing but the best.